back to another video. Today, I got a monitor to unbox. This is not sponsored, but I wish it was. So, this is the LG 27-inch 4K monitor with USB-C. So, it does have a little bit of damage, so if it is damaged, we will return it. But, let's see. Okay. Oh! Okay, I'll go get my real knife. Alright, got the real unboxing knife because the other one broke, so until I get that one fixed, here we go. Alright. So far, no damage. Oh, I should close this before I step on it. So you got your stand right here, and it's got, oh, that's sick, a little screw kind of deal to it. Let's see, quality, I don't care about that. Alright, you got, this will also charge your MacBook, if you have one. So you got your power cords here. White, kind of interesting. I've never seen a white power cord before. Nice. Okay. So let's see, you got HDMI here. That should be. You got your USB-C here. This is what we're gonna need. What is this called? DVD. Something weird. We don't need this. You have USB to USB-C. That's good. Oh, power cord and HDMI. Wait, there's two HDMIs? Oh no, this is HDMI to that weird DVI or whatever. I think it's called DVI. And this is your HDMI. So we should only be needing this. Nope. This for the computer. And here we have, oh, the stand. Oh, that's so cool. It's white. That is nice. So, to install it, you just put this into here. We're good. We're locked in place. That's gonna go. It's got a nice aluminum brushed finish to it. I like it. I kind of like the white. Very different. And it's gonna go right over here. And then we have the monitor itself. So let's see. It's a pretty hefty monitor. What in the world? Whoa! Yeah, that's pretty sick. Alright, let's get this mounted. Is you just go like that, and it's ready. It is nice. There's not much of wiggle room. And then to adjust the side, so yeah, so this is how it's gonna go. Let's take off this. in right back here. There we go. And right into the MacBook. Okay, let me see what they need. Oh, it's right here. Cool. Something beeped. Whoa. That is a sick button. It lights up and stuff. You guys gotta see this. So this is it. This is 4K in all of its glory. So, oops. Oh, okay, so you have, well, it turned off, but this used to light up 2 seconds ago. So now for our favorite moment. Okay, next side. Okay. Now, if you just want to raise it, you just lift it. And if you want to lower it, you just lower it. There's no button or anything. You cannot adjust the angle. But you can make it long ways. Alright, so here it is in 4K. Very, very vibrant colors. Very, very sharp. Especially compared to this, because this is just 1080p. And you can definitely tell a difference already. And yeah, so you can have, right now I have it set for extend. So I can do stuff on here. And I can drag it to the other side. So I could just drag this, oops, over here and watch a whole video. There we go. So now I don't know why, but I'm trying to figure out. I can't get this to have sound, so I'm gonna figure that out. But other than that, let's boost this to the highest quality. Oh, I only upload in 1080p. Oops. Maybe in the future I'll do 4K. Manual if you want it. But yeah, so now let's say you want an HD quality picture. Let me show you what that. This is what 4K photos look like on the monitor of 4K, because this is 4K. 4K. And you can really see those pixels. I mean, you can't, like, well, you get what I'm saying. You can't, it's so HD, you can really see the sharpness. And this is, like, amazing.